Hello, my name is Kalia. I'm gonna unbox this toy today. It's Hatchimals Rainbow-cation. So I'm gonna unbox this video now. Unbox this toy now. Now I'm unboxing this toy. Can you do this? Take this out. Instructions and Hatchimal eggs. Stickers. And instructions. And collectibles. We can collect them. So these are all the things to collect, all the families to collect. So let's start unboxing the eggs. Now, which one should I unbox first? The big one. Whoa, this one's hard. Now let's see what happens. This is off the parts, and I'm to break. So the heart is gone. Now we do the other heart. Now let's see what's in there. Oh, whoa. Now I opened it, and there's a little thingy in here. Don't want this to be gone. Now let's see what's in here. Ooh, there's a little thingy right here. A little koala. I got the koala one. So let's take that off. And now let's unhatch the little one. Now let's see how this opens. I'm not sure. Ooh, I see half of it opened. Oh, this part opened. Ooh, it's a little baby koala. Now, let's open the packages. And there's a little chair and a fire. See what the little ones have. It has wings and a ice cooler. I'm not sure if this is the mom or the mom, the dad or the mom. So I think it's the mom. I'm thinking it's the mom. The dad's turn. So this is going to be the dad, of course. I know this is the dad already. And I'm not, and that's the big sister. Now I know. So we opened all the packages, and I think the little ones go into the little chair. These toys look like so much fun. I'm gonna go play now. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.